Hi, this is Charles Wiggins with the Isothermal Community College Library, and this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to access databases through the library website and how to log in through the proxy server. The first thing we need to do is access the library website, and here on the Isothermal homepage you'll notice this menu across the top of the page, and that the last link on the right side of the page is to go to the library website. Here on the library website, we do have a few different ways that you can access the databases. First of all, with the links across the top here, if we go to the third link for research guides, we have a number of different guides here built based on different subjects taught by the college and other things people are interested in. So for example, if I'm interested in agribusiness, I can go to that particular guide. And the first page that loads lists databases related to agribusiness that have articles from journals, magazines, and trade publications. So I can look down through the descriptions, and if I want to know more about a particular database, I can open that portion and it tells me a little bit more about what the database covers and what's involved. Similarly, if I'm interested in books or ebooks related to agribusiness, I can go to that tab, and we've got a list of the ebook databases that may contain information related to agribusiness. There's also a search box here where I can search the library catalog if I want to see what is contained within the library. And then we can see databases for data and statistics related to agribusiness, and videos and media related to agribusiness. So that is one approach you can take to discovering databases. Also, on most of the pages throughout the library website, we have this helpful information box, and within that box there is a quick links tab. And the first link goes to the A through Z index of databases. And you can see here we've got 228 different databases. So to help narrow that list down, we have filters. So we have a subject filter. So for example, if I was interested in looking at all the different databases related to architecture, I can choose that from the list. And first at the top we have two best bets. So these are the databases that are most likely to contain the most and best information related to the particular topic. And then other databases with related information are listed on down below. So I'm going to clear that filter. We can also filter by type. So if I want to find all the databases that contain audio, I can do that. And let's say I want to do a keyword search. I don't want to mess with the filters, but I want to find all of the databases related to biology. I can just do a simple keyword search. So we have 24 different databases related to biology. So again, I can look through that list and make choices there. And you can combine these filters. So if I want to find all of the biology databases that contain images, I just combine those two filters, and it narrows that list down to the 6 databases that have something to do with biology but also contain images. So that's another approach that you can take. And I'm going to go back to the library homepage. And we have another option here, and that's in the find box. So you can see we've got different searches here on different tabs. And the last tab is databases. And so here we can search for databases. We're searching for databases, not within the databases themselves. So I can do the same kind of keyword search that I just did on the A to Z index page right here. I've also got a link to go back to the research guide page if I want to take that approach, or I can go back to the A to Z index from here if I want to. So for example, if I wanted to search the database StatRef, which is a medical database, I can click on S to go down and search through the list of databases that start with S, or again I can use my filter here and just do a quick keyword search, and there's StatRef. So I just click on the link, and this is the Proxy Server login page. Notice it opened in a new tab. And here to log in, you want to use your Patriot port login. And for students and most faculty and staff, this is going to be identical to your Moodle login. So if you know your Moodle login, you should be able to log in here. So I'm going to log in. And once I'm authenticated, it forwards me to the database. Now here on StatRef, the first time you log in, you'll have to accept this end user agreement. This is nothing unusual. As soon as I accept the agreement, it forwards me to the database and I'm ready to search. So that's really all there is to finding databases and then logging in through the proxy server. If you need any help with this or anything else related to the library, please get in touch with us. The main phone line is 828-395-1307. If you're having trouble with your login credentials, contact the help desk, and that's 828-395-1437. I hope this helps. Have a good day.